Cooking frozen lobster tails. No thaw needed.
Hello, foodies. Today, we're here to answer a common question. Can you really cook frozen lobster tails without thawing them first? This might seem a bit unconventional, but the answer is a resounding yes. Let's dive deeper into this process, shall we?
Why can you cook frozen lobster tails directly?
Cooking lobster tails straight from the freezer isn't just possible. It can also result in a superior flavor and texture compared to thawing first. Freezing lobster tails slows down enzyme activity, which can cause a loss of flavor. When you cook lobster tails from frozen, you can minimize the loss of flavor and texture.
How to cook frozen lobster tails.
Here's a basic method to cook frozen lobster tails without thawing them first. Step 1. Prepping the lobster tails. Begin by rinsing your frozen lobster tails under cold water to remove any ice or frost. Use kitchen shears to cut through the top shell lengthwise, but be careful to stop at the base of the tail. Step 2. Cooking the lobster tails. Put your prepped lobster tails on a baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Bake the lobster tails for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the shells are bright red and the meat is opaque. Step 3. Enjoy. Once your lobster tails are cooked, serve them with some melted butter and lemon wedges. Enjoy the rich, sweet taste of lobster cooked right from frozen.
Are there any drawbacks?
While convenient, there can be a slight downside to this method. If you're not careful, you might overcook the thinner sections of the lobster tail while trying to ensure the thickest part is fully cooked. However, this risk is minimized by cutting the top shell to allow even heat distribution. So, there you have it. Not only can you cook a frozen lobster tail without thawing it first, but it can also be a fantastic way to preserve its natural taste and texture. Remember, the key is in the careful preparation and monitoring during cooking to ensure perfect results. Happy cooking, and we hope you enjoy your delicious lobster tails.